Everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this watch right here. Let's go ahead and get right into this. So this is how it comes boxed. It is by this brand right here. As you can see, this is the user manual for it. And then this is what the watch itself looks like. It comes with a charger, the watch. It's everything you'll need. So it also tells you how much you run, your heart rate, your pedometer, sleep monitor, and it tells you your calories as well. And I need to charge this up before I use it, so let me go ahead and do that because I want to make sure it's fully charged before I turn it on. Okay, so I set the date and time and everything. And then you have your camera, which you do have to connect it to Bluetooth. So it shows you all the different things that it has. I don't think that this one has games, from what I can tell. So you can do your workouts, pedometer, sleep, heart rate, notifications. So if you connect this to your phone via Bluetooth, you'll be able to tell when you have notifications. It has an alarm clock, stopwatch, timer, music, find my phone. It tells you, like, I guess that's your profile H band. Okay, let me go ahead and get out of that. You have your camera, and then you have your settings. So that's everything that this has. And when you have it on, you'll actually be able to tell like your calories and everything that you burn, which is really good. That's pretty much what this is made for. It has a cell phone. Especially being in school and stuff, this will let them know if somebody tries to call them and stuff, but it is quiet, which is really nice. And you can change the bands and stuff by changing this out right here. If you want to do that, you can buy different things for them. Just really nice to have. I'm going to connect this to my phone and see what all I can get it to do. Okay, so this is my daughter Scarlett. You like it?
Yeah, it's cute. I really like the color, like kind of like a light violet. And I think it's really cool. It can tell you how many hours you got of sleep, and it can tell you how many heartbeats you have per second. And it can tell you how much you've been walking all day, how many steps you've taken. It's really cool and really cute, and you can bring it a lot of places because it's so tiny.
But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.